good, and today is going to be a super fun video. But first, I want to ask you guys if you like this headband. So, I didn't just get it, I've had it for a while. I guess I've just never worn it before, but I thought it was kind of unique and cute. So, tell me what you guys think of that. And, okay, I know this is really random, but I'm like so hungry right now. Maybe I could eat lunch soon. Anyways, so today I have a video with my claw machine. As you see, my claw machine is currently completely empty. You might be thinking, where did everything go? So here is your answer. That's where everything went. So yeah, that's pretty crazy. Kind of a mess. Well, not really a mess because it's organized on the floor. But today, I'm going to be putting a ton of different things in my claw machine. In fact, I'm going to even put my brother in my claw machine. Michael and maybe even Owen too. I'm going to be trying to put them in my claw machine. So that is going to be pretty fun and pretty cool, I think. And you know what? I have some other things I'm going to put in the claw machine too. So here we go. You know, I kind of feel like I should start with putting blankets and pillows in the claw machine. You might think, oh, that sounds boring. But no, it's going to look really cool once I put them in. Trust me. And later on in this video, I'm going to be putting makeup in the claw machine and trying to actually win it. So that's going to be fun. And look. See that back there? Wait, no, right there. I just got that yesterday. It's so adorable. Let me show you up close. So I literally saw this at the store and I was like, oh my gosh, I needed it. And believe it or not, it was like a sport store. So it didn't even have to do with it, like stuffed animals, I guess. But I saw it. They have a little beanie section. I was like, oh my gosh, I need to get it. And look at the best part. Ready? Watch. It's reversible sequin. I mean, a digging sparkle. So yes, I literally love it. It's so cute. I think it's a chihuahua because it has a tiny tail, but I'm just gonna call it a fox. So yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna be putting this in my claw machine too. But first, we're going to start with the blankets, and I'm gonna have to fold them. Actually, maybe I won't fold them. I might just throw them in there. I think that would look pretty cool. Okay, so I have all my blankets here that I'm gonna use. In fact, I'm gonna get more. This is not all of them. Oh gosh, so many blankets. Here we go. The first load of blankets. Time to get some more blankets. So here's our blanket closet. I know it looks messy, but that's just because blankets can't really be folded like super perfectly, and it's usually a little bit more cleaner. So yeah. I'm just gonna grab all these blankets and stuff them all in. Let's put this one here. And this one will go in the front. This would be so comfortable to go in. It would be like such a good sleeping place. Okay, I definitely need some more. Okay, so you guys are sitting in here right now with all the blankets. Here's another one. And that is a claw machine full of blankets. I mean, don't mind that. That's just, kind of weird looking. Anyways. So this is my claw machine full of blankets. I think it looks pretty cool and a little bit weird at the same time because from far away you're like, why is she throwing blankets in a claw machine? And now I'm going to be filling it with pillows, and not just regular pillows, fancy pillows. Starting with this one. Wow, that's insane. That is so crazy. I'm used to having tiny things inside. Well, next, I'm going to put something even better inside. You'll see. But doesn't it just look so cool with all the stuff in it? Once again, let's enjoy this beautiful rainbow before I destroy it. Anyways, this is what I'm going to try to put in next. And as you can see, it is very big, and I don't even know if I'll be able to fit it. But I'm going to try, because it would look so cool inside. Well, wish me luck. I don't know if it's going to be able to fit. Here, let me try it this way. I don't think he's going to be able to fit. I think he's a little bit too big, but I have something else. It's really cool. You'll see. Stay there. Instead, I'm going to put all of these ones in. These ones are pretty big too, but I know that these ones will fit, so that's good. Isn't this one so cute? I don't even know how I was able to fit these ones. These are my biggest Beanie Boos. So we have our leopard, a dog, a cat, oops, a fox, probably one of my favorites. I think actually this is my favorite. It's a chihuahua, but like I said, I still call it a fox. And then a leopard. Oh wait, no, hold on. That's a leopard. That's a tiger. Next, I'm going to put food in my claw machine. And I'm gonna try to win it. So we took all of these out and Michael is helping me put food in here so we can put it in the claw machine. We have all of our food right here. I might even need more. Now I'm gonna put the food in my claw machine and try to catch it with the claw. Well, here's my claw machine full of food. And now I'm gonna turn it on and try to catch something. This is gonna be crazy. I hope it works. Well, I'm sure it will work, but will I catch food? I don't know. Woohoo! Here we go. Okay, guys, I have a free play. Here we go. I'm gonna try to get that mac and cheese right there. Let's see. Oh my gosh, I might actually get it. Oh, so close. Okay, this time I'm aiming for a bag of chips. Maybe this one up here. Let's see. I think that should be good. Ooh, perfect aim. Oh my gosh, I got it! Yes! Oh my gosh, that means I get to eat my prize. Woohoo! I won a bag of chips. Sweet, that's a great claw machine. Now I'm gonna try to win that mac and cheese again. Let's see. Come on. Okay, that should be perfect. Ah, so close. One more try for something like, I think the Welch's. I'm gonna try to get fruit snacks. And then I'm gonna fill my claw machine with makeup. Stay tuned. Ah, that was a close one. Hey, at least I got a free bag of chips. And this is what the claw machine looks like when it is filled with makeup. Makeup machine. I don't know if I would be able to catch one, but I can definitely try. I think I'm gonna try, because that could be pretty cool. Let's see, I think I'm gonna try to get a lip gloss. Let's see how this goes. Ooh. Oh, so close. Wow, let me tell you, it's pretty hard to catch tiny little makeup things. That's very difficult to do. And now it is time, what you've all been waiting for, to put Michael or Owen in the claw machine. Let's go get him. I have my brother here now, my volunteer, Michael. And now we're going to put Michael in the claw machine and then win him. I'm kidding, not win him, but we're still gonna put it in the claw machine. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you scared?
No.
Are you sure you're ready? Okay, let's see if this works. See, it's pretty sturdy. Here we go. Feet in first. Here, so carefully get your feet on there. Okay, ready? Careful, careful. Does it seem sturdy? Okay, now careful. I got you. If you fall, I got you. Okay. Does it seem sturdy? Is it?
Yes.
Oh my gosh! That's awesome. Okay, ready?
I'm scared, actually.
Oh my gosh, it's in the claw machine! Time to turn it on. Do you like it? Are you ready? Here, you're gonna hold these. Hold these, and I'm gonna try to catch them out of your hands, okay? Yeah, hold them right there. It's gonna be tricky. Walk in there. Ready? Okay, I'm gonna see. You have to let it catch it. Oh no! Oh my gosh, that was crazy. You wanna try it again? Oh my gosh! Oh, so close. Watch your eyes. Oh. Okay, you ready? You gonna do it? Here, move this around. Ready? Okay, now press it down. Are you gonna get it? You got it! Yay! Go get it! Go get it! Oh, yeah, go get it!
Push that.
Okay, so I think we'll be done for now. We'll just leave you in here. Oh, see you later. Bye. Oh, I forgot. Since I'm leaving you overnight, you might need some food. Bye.
I have to stay here all night?
Just kidding. No, Okay, here. Ready? Good lightly hop. Oh! That was so fun, right? I'm gonna go in there. I can't fit in there. Do you want to go? Well, seems like I can only put one of my brothers in the car with me today. But if you want me to put more brothers in there, comment and tell me.